Friends, Hyderabad Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. In this episode, we discuss business communication teaching. In business schools, how business communication is to be taught. Let us know in this lecture. You know very well, I'll start any lecture with an anecdote, story, joke, etc. No? So now I am giving you here one message. Man has only one life. Make use of it. By Konapareddy, this message. Man has only one life. Make use of it. Konapareddy. Business communication is a turning point for management students. You finished your MBA, you finished your any degree, research degree, doctoral degree in management. But what required? What is required? Business communication required. You studied, acquired knowledge. If you don't have business communication in business English, what is the use of the study you studied? You need to present it, no, finally. So that is why business communication is turning point in the life of the students, business students, business management students. Traditional teaching strategy is teacher oriented. Traditional teaching strategy, teacher oriented. Paying more attention to teachers teaching rather than students learning. Okay? So, paying more attention to teachers teaching, not to students learning. That is the traditional teaching approach. That is teacher oriented, teacher centered. Lectures, tutorials, laboratory hours, assignments and assessments. Board and marker used. What is that? Lectures, tutorials, laboratory hours, assignments and assessments. Okay? Board and marker used during that time. That is teacher oriented teaching, teacher centered teaching. New teaching mechanism is student oriented. That is teacher oriented. This is student oriented, which helps student learns better and teaching output shall enhance. So here in student oriented teaching, learning, teacher is only a passive observer. Overhead projectors, PowerPoint presentations, case studies, interactivity between teachers and students in student oriented approach. Communication mainly comprises verbal and non-verbal. Already told you in other lectures. Communication is verbal and non-verbal. Teachers are orators and information transmitters. Paying more attention to presentation skills rather than considering how much information is retained in students' mind. Students what they feel, teachers what they feel? Information transmitters. They are information transmitters. They are giving information. But what is the use? How much the student is taking into his brain? That is important. That is why from teacher oriented to student oriented teaching came into practice. Student centered strategy makes students tend to adapt deep approaches to learning. Student centered strategy makes students tend to adapt deep approaches to learning. Some students learn through lectures and some learn through hands-on or personal experiences. Some students may use the old lectures, but some students they want hands-on experience. Learning is enhanced when teachers create a classroom environment that provides students with opportunities to learn in several ways. See this point, very important point it is. Learning is enhanced when teachers create a classroom environment that provides students with opportunities to learn in several ways. Teachers can employ active learning approaches like talking and listening, writing, reading, reflecting, lectures, videos, demonstrations, and independent projects. These are the things the teachers have to employ when teaching. These are the learning approaches. Teachers have to employ active learning approaches. Active learning approaches are like talking and listening, writing, reading, reflecting, lectures, videos, demonstrations, independent projects. Okay? Right? Teachers increase the likelihood that students will develop conceptual understanding. What the teachers have to give to students? They have to give conceptual understanding. If the students are made to conceptual understanding, then they will. That is why by concepts are to be taught to the students. New teaching strategies are problem-based learning. Give you a problem, ask him to solve, otherwise you show it how to solve. That is problem-based learning. Direct learning, case study, work group, computer simulation. So you can use computers also in simulation. Computer simulation is also required for learning. Group work should not be neglected in Indian education system. In Indian education system, group work is required. That should not be neglected. Focus on group work. Indian teachers to pay more attention to students' competitive ability and cooperative ability. Students' competitive ability and cooperative ability both are to be measured by the teacher. Group discussion is an effective way for students to develop their conceptual frameworks and learn problem solving skills as they try their own ideas on other students. That's very important. Advantages of computer simulation. Let me tell you the advantages of computer simulation if used in study, in learning. Strategic simulation can model real life situation and enhance students' interest. 2. Simulation gives more opportunities for students to participate in self-study on communication system. I'll give you one message here. Man invented God and killed him in the modern world. Root level difficulties. In teaching business communication teaching, what are the root level difficulties? 1. Students are accustomed to traditional teaching strategies. Students are accustomed to traditional teaching strategies. Students should shun this habit. Today, students should not be passive. They should be active in the classroom. Till now, the students are accustomed to passive listening in the classroom. Now, passive listening is to be replaced by active listening. Students will take long time to accept new teaching style. New teaching style which we have discussed so far in the foregoing words, that new teaching style, the students have to accustom themselves for the new teaching style. Number 2, teachers need to spend more time on preparation. While preparing a lecture, the teacher has to spend 5 hours in preparation of the lecture, and the lecture prepared in 5 hours is to be taught in 1 hour. That means preparation is very important for teacher. Homework is very important for teacher at his residence. Present classrooms are not suitable for student-centered teaching and learning. Present classrooms, they are not suitable. In COVID-19 situation, you need to change the classroom scenario. That means classroom situation also. Classroom shape also you need to change. The present classroom situation will not is not suitable for student-centered teaching and learning. The present classrooms are designed for lecturing and are not for discussion and group work. So, not only lecturing, discussion, group work is also required in present day classroom. That is why the present day classrooms are not congenial for new method of teaching. Financial difficulties are high cost of construction, laboratory, equipment, library books and journals. So much money is required to spend on that. So to reshape the classrooms. Now village, I am giving a small message. Village is simplicity to city to university. Village is simplicity to city to university. You understood it. So before closing this, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hari Prasad Konappa Reddy. You become successful man, woman in the world. Thank you. Carpe diem.